might think that watching basketball in a hot, stuffy gym doesn't really sound like fun. Well, what if I told you that it was air conditioning and you'd get to see some Hawkeye women's basketball players? And it's an obvious yes, it's fun. And speaking of hot, Melissa Dixon is still feeling it from last season. We all know about her game from long range, but look at that quick first step toward the basket. Dixon lays it up and in, and she was only getting started. Later in the half, one dribble and then a stop and pop from deep. Do you, boo, do you. She had 41 points in the game. In just 3 days, the Cedar Rapids Titans will attempt to do the unthinkable. Beat the Sioux Falls Storm at the Storm Shelter, a place where the Storm haven't lost in 33 games. And oh, by the way, did I mention that the Sioux Falls is the defending United Bowl champs? But the Titans held their own against the Storm this season in Sioux Falls. In Week 15, Cedar Rapids, without 4 of their offensive starters, lost by only 6 points. And now they'll be traveling the 350-plus miles pretty confidently thanks to Mark Stout's Day 1 spiel.
When Coach came in here from day one, that was his main focus, the championship. And if you wasn't on board for that, then there's no point of being out here, and that's our goal.
It feels good, but we're not celebrating yet. We still have to get there. Just looking at it from a league point of view, we're probably in the championship game just about mode right now against these guys. It's going to be a huge victory to beat them at home. So we actually think of it as 2 United Bowls back-to-back.
And speaking of the weekend, the biggest open-wheel racing circuit is coming back to Iowa for the 7th time. But this time, it's going to be a little different. The race won't be under the lights. Practice and qualifying is Saturday afternoon. The race is Sunday at 2:05. And according to the drivers, the 250 laps around the .875-mile track goes really, really fast.
It's the fastest oval we go as far as the speed goes inside the car. You know, it feels faster than the Indianapolis track. So it's you know, a bumpy track, a demanding track, but you know, always good racing.
And that's all I could fit in just 2 minutes. So if you want more sports, head to our website, cbs2iowa.com. But before you do that, stay with CBS2 because Corey has your last look at your forecast after the break.